महाराष्ट्र समाज सेवा संघ, ऑनरेबल विठ्ठलराव पटवर्धन उत्कर्ष आश्रम स्कूल वाघेरा, तालुका त्र्यंबकेश्वर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट नाशिक. सब्जेक्ट केमिस्ट्री, टीचर भरत पाटील.
Hello student, we already start the alcohol phenols and ether chapter. In this session, we have to mainly discuss about the introduction to the ethers. Here we have to discuss what is the ether, what is the isomers of ether, definitions of ether and the nomenclature of ether. Let us start the ether. Is alkoxy or aryl oxy derivative of alkane, and the IUPAC name of a ether we have to give as alkoxy alkane or aryl oxy alkane. Is a RH is a alkane, and then the hydrogen atom we have to replace by alkoxy group, and then it can be formed is a ROR dash. Here the R and R dash are same or different, it's called as the ether. The functional group of ether is a carbon O carbon or just oxygen atom is a ether linkage. The general formula of aliphatic ethers is a CnH2n plus 2 O or CnH2n plus 1 O CnH2n plus 1, which is the same as a monohydric alcohol. Therefore they two are the functional isomers. The general formula of alcohol and the aliphatic ethers are equal, therefore they are called as the functional isomer. Functional isomer in which the compound which has the same molecular formula but different functional group present into it. Here we have to draw the structure of ethyl alcohol is a ethanol, and second one is a CH3OCH3 is a ether, is a dimethyl ether. Here we have to see the molecular formula C2H6O in the both alcohol and ether is the same, just the functional group is a different, therefore they two are called as the functional isomers. Is a MCQ based on that. The ethers are dot derivative of alkane is a alkoxy, is a aryl oxy, both A and B, or alkyl or aryl. Then ether is a alkoxy and aryl oxy derivative, therefore answer is a C, is a both A and B. The general representation of ether is a ROH, is a ROR, is a RC double bond OOH or RC double bond OOR, means ester. No, is the answer is a B, is a ROR. The ethers are the functional isomers of aldehyde, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol or monohydric alcohol. The answer is a monohydric alcohol. The general formula of aliphatic ether is CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n O, CnH2n plus 2O, or none of these. The answer is the CnH2n plus 2O, is the answer is the C. The next one we have to see the isomerism of ethers. The classification of ether. The ethers have the two types. The one is a simple or the symmetrical ether, and the second one is a mix or unsymmetrical ether. Is a ROR, is a ROR dash. In case of a simple or the symmetrical ether, both the alkyl group which is attached to the oxygen atom are same. And in case of a mix and the unsymmetrical ether, the alkyl group which is attached to the oxygen atom are the different. Very simple concept. Both the alkyl group same is a simple, and they are the different are called as the mix. For example, here the first example, 2-methyl group is attached to oxygen is a dimethyl ether is an example of a simple ether. It is also called as the methoxyethane. In the second one, the 1-methyl and 1-ethyl group is attached to oxygen. They both are the different. Therefore, it is called as the mixed ether. Is a ethyl methyl ether or the methoxyethane. Isomerism of ether, there are the three types: chain isomerism, functional isomerism, and the metamerism. In a chain isomerism, different arrangement of a carbon chain is a present. For example, here we have to see the one example, butyl and the methyl group is attached, therefore N-butyl methyl ether. And suppose we have to arrange the chain, here the isobutyl and the methyl group is attached, therefore isobutyl methyl ether. They both have the same molecular formula but different carbon chain present into it, therefore it is a chain isomerism. The next one, the functional isomerism, in which the compounds which has the same molecular formula but different functional group is present into it. For example, we have to already discuss previous, is a dimethyl ether and the ethyl alcohol is a ethanol which has the same molecular formula but different functional group. One contain ether, another contain alcohol. And the metamer, the compounds having molecular formula C4H10O has the following metamers. Here we have to discuss diethyl ether or ethoxyethane is a methyl propyl ether or methoxypropane. Here is a methyl and the isopropyl group is attached, therefore is a isopropyl methyl ether over the 2-methoxypropane. Here we have to see the compound which has the same molecular formula but different alkyl group is attached to the either side of a double bond. म्हणजे ऑक्सिजनच्या एका साइडला तरी भिन्न प्रकारचा अल्किल ग्रुप अटॅच पाहिजे, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतोय, मेटॅमर्स. The metamers are the either chain or the position isomers with the same functional group and have different alkyl group is attached to oxygen atom. For example, we have to already discuss MCQ based on that. It is the example of symmetrical ether, mixed ether, unsymmetrical ether, or the both B and C. The unsymmetrical ether is also called as the mixed ether, in which the different alkyl group is attached to oxygen. Therefore, answer is both B and C. Here we have to see the dimethyl ether and the ethanol. They are the chain isomers, metamers, functional isomers, or all of these they are the functional isomers. The ethers having same molecular formula but different alkyl group on the either side of oxygen atom are called as chain isomers, metamers, functional isomers, or all of these. We have to discuss the definition of a metamers. They are the metamers. The ethers in which both alkyl group attached to oxygen are same are called simple ether, mixed ether, symmetrical ether, or both A and C. The simple ether we have to also call it the symmetrical ether. The answer is A and C. Then we have to discuss the nomenclature of a ether. Is a structure, common name and IUPAC name. In case of a IUPAC nomenclature, we have to write alkoxyalkane. For example, here the 2-methyl group is attached to oxygen atom, therefore we have to common name is the dimethyl ether. In case of IUPAC nomenclature, we have to select the parent one which is attached to the oxygen atom which contain the greater number of carbon atom. ऑक्सिजनला अटॅच असलेला एखादा अल्किल ग्रुप सिलेक्ट करायचा ज्याच्यामध्ये जास्त कार्बन आहे तो पॅरेंट सिलेक्ट करायचा अँड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वी हॅव टू अल्कॉक्सी लिहायचे. आणि मग एक मिथाइल ग्रुप आपण काय सिलेक्ट केला पॅरेंट म्हणून तर दुसरा काय असेल मिथॉक्सी आणि 1 कार्बन म्हणून काय झालं मिथॉक्सी मिथेन. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल बघू आपण. 1 इथाइल and 1 methyl group is attached to the ether. The common name is 1 ethyl, alphabetically come first, the ethyl methyl ether. In IUPAC nomenclature, the ethyl group is a parent one, therefore methoxy and 2 carbon is a ethane, is a methoxy ethane. Next, here 2 ethyl group is attached to oxygen, therefore what is the common name? The common name is a diethyl ether. Then what is the IUPAC name of that? Choose any one as the parent one, another one is a daughter, is oxy, is a ethoxy and 2 carbon, therefore ethoxy ethane is a IUPAC name. The next one, 1 methyl and 1 propyl group is attached here, therefore what do you think about the common name? Alphabetically methyl come first, therefore we have to write the name is a methyl and propyl ether, which is we have to select is a parent into the IUPAC nomenclature is a propyl. With respect to oxygen is attached to CH3 is a methoxy, therefore the name of that is a 1 position there is a oxygen, therefore we have to write the 1 methoxy propane. कार्बनची संख्या 3 पेक्षा जास्त असेल तर नंबरिंग द्यायची. समजा पुढचं एक्झाम्पल बघितलं आपण. Here isopropyl and methyl group is attached, then what is the common name of that? Is isopropyl methyl ether. Then we have to give the IUPAC name of that. The oxygen isopropyl is a parent one and we have to give the number of that one is a 1, 2 and 3. The oxygen atom is a present at the second position, therefore we have to call as the 2 methoxy and the 3 carbon means propane. We have to see the another example. Here we have to see the tertiary butyl and the methyl group is attached to oxygen, therefore what is the common name? The common name is tertiary butyl methyl ether. What about the IUPAC name? We have to select the parent one is a tertiary butyl ring and then we have to give the number to the straight chain, longest straight chain is a 1, 2, 3 and the methoxy group is attached to the second position, also methyl group is attached to the second position, therefore we have to give the name the 2 methoxy, 2 methyl and the 3 carbon means propane. Next one, here the 1 phenyl and the methyl group is attached to the oxygen, therefore it is a common name also we have to know is a anisole and other name is a methyl phenyl ether. How we have to give the IUPAC name? The methoxy benzene is IUPAC name of that. Here the ethyl and phenyl group is attached, therefore we have to call as phenitol is a common name. Also we have to give the name is a ethyl phenyl ether. Then what is the IUPAC name of that compound? Anyone guess? Is a ethoxybenzene. Then we have to solve the MCQ based on that. The IUPAC name of ether in general is alkoxyalkane, alkyl alkane, allyl alkane, or none of these. Then all of you know about that is alkoxyalkane. So what is the IUPAC name of that one? We already discussed previous 2-methyl 2-methoxy, 2,2-dimethyl 2-methoxyethane, 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane, or all of these. The answer is 2-methoxy 2-methyl propane. The next one, what is the name of that? Is a phenyl ethoxy, ethyl benzoxy, ethoxybenzene, or all of these we have already discussed previous is a ethoxybenzene.